Hello friends, we are glad to welcome you in this video. Our team prepared for you a review of 1xBet Casino and promo code XBEST22 which gives you 130% on your deposit. You will find the link to the bookmaker's office and the promo code below the video, and we will start. 1xBet Casino is one of the best gambling institutions, which you can trust and spend your leisure time not only interesting and fun, but also profitable. The club started its activities back in 1997 and received a license from Curaçao, which allows you to officially engage in gambling activities in many territories. 1xBet Casino from the 30th of March 2022 still received a license, which allows you to please each user. 1xBet Casino will provide an opportunity to get a huge portion of adrenaline, gambling satisfaction and real profit if you play for real money. 1xBet official website is available to every gamer at any time from any device with software Windows, Android, iOS. The atmosphere of drive and fun will overwhelm instantly. The main advantages of visiting the official entertainment portal is that each user is waiting for exciting and profitable entertainment, bonus incentives, prizes and participation in tournaments. At 1xBet Casino, users can choose from several ways to register, in one click. It is enough to specify the country and currency of the game account to automatically create a login and password, as well as to specify the promo code XBEST22. Data can be received by email. Subsequently, you need to fill in all the fields with personal information in your personal cabinet. By phone number, the player specifies the cell phone number and the account currency. An SMS message with a confirmation code and the promo code XBEST22 will be sent to your phone. After this method of registration, you need to log on to the official site and fill in information in the profile. By email, this is the most usual registration for the majority of Internet users. It is necessary to specify the country and city of residence, currency of the game account, email address, first and last name, phone number and password, and of course the promo code XBEST22. After that you will receive an email with a link to confirm your account. Through social networks, quick access to the site is available to users who have an account at Odnoklassniki, vKontakte or Telegram, or an account at Mail, Google or Yandex. Additionally, you only need to specify the currency of the account and then fill in personal information. And do not forget the extra bonus on the left side of the window. Verification is not a mandatory procedure, but the casino reserves the right at any time to require the player to confirm the personal information provided, providing scans or photos of documents to tech support specialists, especially when withdrawing winnings. Only you know what to do with your deposit, so win big and pay out fast.